Welcome to Hello My Beauties. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I am going to share with you how you can clean your blender sponge to remove stains and harmful bacteria. So let's get started. First of all, you have to wet the sponge. The sponge should expand to its full size as it soaks in the water. So you have to properly soak it in the water. Then what you have to do is rub the sponge against the soap, okay, the coated portions of the sponge against the center of the soap, working the sponge in small circular motions in the center of the soap. So basically the idea is rub the sponge against your soap. So that's how it will clean all the dirt, and you can continue rubbing the sponge for approximately 30 seconds, and if you need more time you can just continue until you are satisfied enough that it is clean. Rinse while continuing to scrub. You can definitely gently squeeze the sponge under the running water when you are rubbing the sponge against the soap. So after that, you may need to gently squeeze the sponge under the running water to help remove the soaps and makeup, and you can see the result in front of you. It is the easiest way you can remove the soaps and makeup from the sponge. And just one more thing I want to tell or mention here, that you can use any kind of soap. Just don't use the dish soap because that will irritate your skin. And if you use this soap, like here I'm using the Irish soap, you can see here the packaging. I like this soap for cleaning my makeup brushes and sponge, so I am using it only for this, not other things, okay? If you are using one soap for cleaning your sponge, then don't use it for another purpose. I think I just make it clear. So after that, dry the sponge, gently wring out most of the excess moisture by squeezing the sponge with your hand. The sponge will probably still be damp after this, so set it aside in a dry place, allow it to air dry, roll the sponge over clean dry paper towels to dry it off even more, and only use the blender sponge as an applicator once it is completely dry. So I hope you will enjoy this video and like this video. If you, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling. Tada.